Hello, this is a quick guide on how to print a document or a picture from your device like an iPad or from your phone. The app that you will need is called ePrintIt, and you can see the picture right now. In order for you to download this app, you do need to go to your store on your device. So I'm gonna go to my app store and I'm gonna type in ePrintIt. You will see that there are two choices for you. One is called the public print location and the other is called the ePrint mobile. You will choose the public print location and you will download this app. It usually takes 30 seconds, 1 minute to download the app, and once it gets downloaded, it will show an open. So we're gonna click open, and now it's loading. It will ask you if public print location from your location, if it will be allow once, allow while using app, or don't allow. So I'm gonna click allow while using app, and you will have to agree to the disclaimer or the terms of use. So you're gonna click accept. Now there are different locations that you can pick on your ePrintIt. So you can print a document from your email, so you do need to log in. Pictures or files from your device itself, so either you can just select the photos, allow access to all pictures, or don't allow. So we're gonna click allow access to all photos, and it will show all the pictures that you have on your device. Or you can print from a website, so you have to type in the URL address of where you want to go, and you can print this display that you see on the iPad right now. Or you can go to either the Dropbox. You do need to log in using your own account. You can use the Office 365. Again, you have to use your own account. Google Drive would be the same thing. And OneDrive. The box, again, these are all your private account. And the files is actually the files that is located on your device, if you have some. So right now we're just gonna choose the simplest one, which is the pictures. So I'm just gonna pick one picture right here. There you go. You see the check mark. I'm gonna click next. So there are 3 sets for you for your pictures. Either it's a low, medium, or high. So I'm gonna click high. And now it will ask you to where you wanna print this document. So since my location is on when I open up the ePrintIt, it will actually tell me the miles on where is the nearest location of where I can print the document. So we are actually under TBS, the first one. So these are all the branches or all the locations on where I can print the documents. Now, I see that community library in Twin Lakes is here, but the community library in Salem is not here. So I have to choose or to search for the community library in Salem. Once you pick it the first time or you choose it the first time, the next time you use the ePrintIt, it will be there already. So I'm gonna search nearby, and I'm gonna type in community library in Salem because that's the nearest location that I am now. I'm gonna click search, and community library in Salem is right there. So these are your settings that you can play around. You can choose how many copies do you need. Do you want all pages, or do you just want the range like pages 1, 3, and 5? You can select black and white or color. It will be print out as saved on how it looks like when you saved it. It would print either one-sided or two-sided if it's a document. And the paper size, you can play around with it. Either, let me see. I guess I only have 8.5 by 11 here. That's most sizes of the libraries that carry or any location that is being printed at. And then you're gonna type in a guest name or your card number or just a name for your print out. So I'm just gonna type in print out. Now remember this document name, because when you go to the library or where you wanna print the document, you do need to remember the file name that you typed here, and that would release the printout. And I'm just gonna click print right there. Again, there's a terms of use. You do need to accept that. And creating print job, please wait. It's submitting right now. And printout is right there. This is rating of ePrint. If you want to do it now, just click rate it now. And it would go to another screen where you can rate it. If you don't want to do that now, that's fine. So we're going to go back. Now it is ready for printout. You just need to go to the location right now and type in the file name, which is printout in this case, and the printout or the picture will be released from the printer. If you have any questions, always ask one of the staff. And if you have further questions that is not in this video, please call us at 262-843-3348 or 262-877-4281. Thank you very much.